Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Muscle Booster app. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a workout plan app that will help you with your workouts. So as you can see right here, it basically gives you exercises or workouts for specific types of workouts. For example, you want to work your abs or your chest or your shoulders. The app gives you specific exercises to do and how to do it correctly with the corresponding video. And as you can see right here, they're rated 4.7 out of 5 stars, and most of them are like 3, 2, and 5 stars. So if you're wondering if this app is actually legit, I have it here on Muscle Booster on Trustpilot. So let's see the reviews here. They're rated 3.6 out of 5 star with 4K reviews, which is pretty average. It's right here. Great app. Love the countdown. Well worth it. I've enjoyed both the chair and muscle workouts. Greatest app I've used so far. Well placed, presented exercises. 70 years old. Blah blah blah. Clear instructions, clear workouts. And if you're wondering why some people are actually reviewing it, it's because this app actually requires payment for you to use it. So you actually subscribe to use this app, and you basically some apps like these are a total scam and charge you without you noticing. So yeah, this app seems to be pretty legit. And yeah, if you want to go ahead and do workouts. And if you want to download this app, you go ahead and do so. So yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.